Hello everyone, are you ready to play? Let's sing the alphabet, hip hip hooray! Follow along from A to Z. Come on and sing the letters with me. A is for astronaut floating on high, a playful dancer up in the sky. B is for a happy round B-U-C, flying and flapping for you and me. C is for a crab, so happy in red, waving his claws right over his head. D is for dog, a pug with a happy sound, running in place all over the ground. E is for eagle, majestic and free, soaring and flapping for all to see. F is for fox with a playful beat, dancing around on his two little feet.
Oh, the ABCs are fun to sing. Look at the joy that the letters bring. From A to Z, let's sing it loud. Come on and join the happy crowd.
G is for ghost, who's friendly and cute, wiggling and saying a playful boo to you. H is for hippo, so joyful and grand, doing a happy dance all over the land. I is for ice cream, a colorful treat, spinning around, oh my, what a sweet. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, a gentle smile on its happy pink face. K is for kite, flying up in the air, swaying so gently without a care. L is for ladybug, small and so round, crawling and wiggling across the ground.
Oh, the ABCs are fun to sing. Look at the joy that the letters bring. From A to Z, let's sing it loud. Come on and join the happy crowd.
M is for mouse with a cheerful new tune, dancing along underneath the moon. N is for narwhal, so calm and so sweet, floating along, what a wonderful treat. O is for orange, dancing with glee, swaying side to side so happily. P is for penguin, so active and quick, jumping his rope with a hop and a kick. Q is for quail, who is walking with pride, with the cute little chicks right by her side. R is for rocket, vroom, 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 flying right up and out of the room. S is for a submarine, cute and bright pink, bobbing along with a happy wink. T is for turtle, jumping up high, a happy little dancer up in the sky. U is for UFO, adventurous and new, with three little cats as the happy crew. V is for van, on a fun holiday, driving along to a bright sunny day. W is for watermelon, happy and big, swaying and doing a jig. X is for xylophone, hear the notes ring, playing a song that makes our hearts sing. Y is for yo-yo, that spins with a smile, waving its arms in a fun, happy style. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white, running so fast with all of its might. Now we know our ABCs, we sang them all, from the birds to the bees. Great job everyone, you're a superstar. Hooray for the letters wherever